add sweet potato instead of sprouts. Pork and mini prawn. First, we're going to soften the rice paper. There are lots of procedures to soften the rice paper. You can put it on the water, you can cover it with wet cloth, and you can dump it by cloth. But I prefer to dump it by cloth to soften it easy. So,
Buti ba ito yung tubig?
Yan yung nawakuha ko sa kanina.
Is that clean?
Yes, I wash it all again.
Yung kamay lang yun.
The rice paper is fresh from USA.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano ba Vietnam? Bakit from USA?
That's why, di ba kanina sabi, it has been widely known already.
American day.
So meaning that kind of ingredients are already available in the grocery here.
Actually,
But you can also
Very
buy those like in Shumart, hypermarket.
Actually, one of their chefs said that Vietnam cuisine is the now novel cuisine of Asia, Southeast Asia.
What?
Bukas na yan.
Kasi we're going to have a quiz.
Kita ka doon.
So put a little piece of lettuce or lettuce. It's simple like the
Fresh
first
fruit,
piece.
yeah.
We're going to
Yung sariwa.
Nadala lang siya ng
I have to clean because I wash it.
Wash it.
We're going to do that. Yeah, that's simple. And roll it. You have spring rolls. Anyone can try to do it? One. Miss Becca, can you do it?
No, I'm busy.
How about you, Mr. Louis Mendoza, try?
PRO!
PRO! PRO! Movie support! Movie support! Yes, ma'am. We will support Louie. Louie support. Louie support. Louie support.
Mayo, gagawa mo lang ano yun. May kaya.
Louis Mendoza, the dip is to make soy sauce and with peanuts.
Ano mo yung...
It's clean?
No! You can buy this special chopstick by Robert.
Ay, gano'n mo yung kumain.
Ayan ba yan? Deko!
Hindi kami kakain niya na yan. Nila Yuri, hindi nabugas si Edward kanina.
Dahil gumawa.
Tatuluan nyo na pa.
Dahil gumawa, ayaw nyo. Louis.
Ala, sigaw sila.
Ito yung garlic.
Gagan.
Oh, beba!
And kung gusto niyo makatagin ng mga, kung gusto niyo magluto
Tinapos?
ng foods,
Kaya kita kayo.
M1, merong recipe book doon. And the recipes and ingredients will available at your gold. May Vietnam corner doon.
Lumpia sariwa lang yata yan.
Louis will try to demonstrate.
Okay, while Louis is doing the demonstration, I suggest the next group to prepare the report. Wala pang patulak. Tulak ko. May matigas dyan. May dito pa kayo.
Meron kaso ano na lang. Itatag na lang namin sa Facebook.
Then, Kailan?
Prepare.
Ready, Kailan?
Sige, prepare kami. Korea, go!
Yun na, para matapos na natin. Nakabalahin pa.
Ito yung
Ay, ito.
Yung Thailand, dyan may pakain.
Wala?
Wala. Kasi na pa